Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we'll be doing is we will be given a string, right? And we need to find the maximum number. Okay, so we will be given a string. From there, we extract two numbers and we add them first of all, and we multiply them as well. And whichever is greater, uh, like after performing the addition or the multiplication operator, we return that particular number. Okay, so in order to do that, what we can do is, of course, we know we can split it, right? We can split the number. So in order to do that, what we can do is, let's just write our return statement directly, right? And inside return, what we can do is s dot split, right? And we don't need to assign anything to it, and this would give out a list, right? And within that list, what we can do is, so since we are getting a list, we can do I for I in this thing, right? So we can make this list into a int first of all, int, right? That is done, right? That is done. So that's the lst, right? So this will be what, two different thing. Let me just do int over here because I will need to convert it as well, right? So now we know, like, there is two elements in our list and we need to return a maximum of lst 0, and it should be plus operator that we need to use on it as well, right? There is no multiplication kind of thing. We could use sum as well, right? So there could be, we could do it like this, because sum would basically add all the elements inside the list, since we will have only two elements inside it, right? And for multiplication, I think we will have to do the classic way, yeah. So lst 0 into this thing, lst minus 1. All right, so that's how perhaps we might have to do it. Might fail as well, huh? Given the test case. Okay, worked just fine. Let's submit the code. Let's see other people's solution. I was doing the problems in C, so I'm only thinking about semicolon at the end of it. Let's see the solution. Okay, other people have done, uh, they have used x comma y and then done something like that. Okay, that is also fine. Other people have done what I have done. Okay, and yeah, it's basically somewhat similar. I think this approach would be better, right? So extracting the values of list, right? I don't think we need to do the list thing over here, because s dot split would give out a list itself, right? So this guy over here, what he's done is he's made it into a list again. That's not required, right? Map is also fine, I guess, to some level. Map would just convert the data type only, right? So yeah, we can do it in two different ways, like I have showed you, and whichever is suitable for you, you can do that, right? Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.